Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful patchwork crafts ideas. Friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is weavers patchwork fashion and accessories. Now let's talk about patchwork and fashion. Patchwork is not only for home item, it is also used in clothing and accessories. You can see patchwork design in jacket, dresses, bags, handbags, shoes, and weavers. Patchwork fashions look very creative and modern. It's make different colors and fabric to create a bold style. Many designers use patchwork in their collection. It's give a unique and artistic look. Patchwork bags are especially popular. They are colorful, strong, and stylish. And friends, patchwork creative styles. Patchwork is more than just fabric pieces. It is a story of creative and reuse. Small leftover pieces that seem useless can become something beautiful then join together. And friends, and the weavers. This teaches an important lesson: nothing is truly wasted. If we use our imagination. Patchwork also brings a feeling of warmth and comfort. And friends, patchwork also brings a feeling of warmth and comfort. It's reminders of handmade, traditional, and simple living. Every patch tells a story, and when they come together, they create something meaningful. That is the magic of patchwork and weavers. I hope friends you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So and I hope to see you in the next video. Friends, take care.